BJP meanwhile has hit out at the Samajwadi Party chief, where Akhilesh now draws an analogy with Ravan, as the BJP says this is below the belt attack that is being done by the Samajwadi Party time and again, as the issue has also reverberated in the UP Assembly as well when it comes to the UP Chief Minister who has taken on the opposition for time and again, questioning the faith and the beliefs of millions of Hindus. However, such opposition remarks have drawn a lot of flack and controversy. Let's listen into how the BJP is now reacting to the Ravan analogy that has been made by the former Chief Minister.
यादव जी ने कहा कि भगवा पहनने से कोई योगी नहीं बन जाता। उन्होंने योगी आदित्यनाथ जी की तुलना एक तरह से रावण से भी करने की चेष्टा की है। बात तो सही है, कोई लाल टोपी पहनने से भी अखिलेश यादव जी समाजवादी नहीं बनता। समाजवादी बनने के लिए उस प्रकार का चरित्र भी होना चाहिए और उस प्रकार से जीवन शैली भी होनी चाहिए। पर सवाल ये बनता है कि झांकी रही भावना जैसी प्रभु मूरत दिखे तिन तैसी। कुछ लोगों की वोट बैंक की दृष्टि ऐसी है कि उनको भगवे में केवल आतंक ही नजर आता है। उनको राम भक्तों में ऐसा खतरा नजर आता है कि वो गोलियां चला देते हैं।
Well, that is the BJP calling it a below the belt attack by the Samajwadi Party. Getting us connected from different parts of the country on the occasion of Mahashivratri also today is Pradeep Datta from Sambhal. We have Abhishek who is joining us from Prayagraj, और आशुतोष भी हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं सीधा वाराणसी से. But Pradeep, getting a word from you, because today is the day as Mahashivratri is being celebrated across the country. However, we are looking at such comments that continue from the opposition side time and again ever since the Mahakumbh began. There has been controversial comments.
Yes, you're absolutely right. This is not first time when the opposition party leaders, they have tried to target Mahakumbh, that they have tried to insult Sanatan Dharm. And off and on, we have seen that such statements had been coming from Akhilesh Yadav. And initially he said why one has to go to even Prayagraj for the holy dip. So better to perform somewhere else. He said that he said that Ganga water is not pure. So now this time he's trying to compare Yogi Adityanath with Ravana. He said that even Ravana was wearing the saffron robe. That doesn't mean that he had come to abduct Sita Maiya at that time. So that is what actually they are doing. But here, if we talk to the people here on the ground on Mahashivratri, there's an emotional connect to the festival, because right now the place where I'm standing, it's Sambhal, it's a Khagusra area in Sambhal, and you can see this is the temple. This is the 300-year-old temple, and it was only after 46 years the doors of this temple were opened, and finally for the first